In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a mock-up image of your artwork in place using an online tool called Canva. It's hands down probably my favorite tool online. I use it to create all kinds of graphics, and there's a free version and an upgraded version called Canva Pro, which is what I have now. But for a long time I used the free version, and what we're going to do today you can do with the free version, no problem. So once you log into Canva, you're going to have to create an account even to use the free option. Once you log in, this is kind of what your dashboard is going to look like. So as you can see, that it makes graphic design super easy. You don't need to have graphic design skills or even tech skills to use this tool and produce outstanding images and graphics. Today I'm going to show you how to create a mock-up for social media. So in this case I'm going to create, let's say, a Facebook post, and you can see all the different categories here. You can also go here to see all the different kinds of templates that you can use. So just to make it easy, I'm going to create a Facebook post. It's going to use the exact dimensions you need for a Facebook post, which makes it super convenient. Now the first thing it's going to load is template options. We're actually not going to use that today to create the mock-up. So what we do want to do is go to Photos. And Canva has lots and lots of stock photos that you can use in all kinds of categories, as you can see up here. So I'm actually going to do a search for interior design mock-ups. And Canva is going to show me all kinds of options. Take your time and look for the right one for your particular artwork. In this case, I'm going to go with this one. And I'm going to resize it. It's going to automatically place it on the document. So at that point, just figure out what size you want. I'm going to make it take up the entire image. All you have to do is drag it to the right place, and let's see, yeah, it'll help me kind of figure out where the middle is, as you can see with that pink bar. So the next thing I want to do is upload a high quality image of my artwork. So I'm going to go over to Uploads. And these are all images that I've uploaded already to my particular account. This is where you would go to upload an image. You can upload it from your desktop or from your social media. In this case, I've already uploaded images, so I'm just going to use one of these to show you how it works. All you have to do basically is click on it, resize it. You want to make sure, of course, that it's consistent with the size of your original artwork. Drag it until you feel like it's in the right place. I love that pink guide because it allows me to make sure that it's centered. And voila, there it is. Let's create one more. So if you go up there, let's duplicate. So now I have two exact images. I'm going to try it with another work of art. Let's use this one. Again, all I'm going to do is resize it. And drag it to where I'd like to place it. And that is basically it. Let's see, now that they're ready, As you can see, Canva calls these pages, page 1, page 2. So when I go to download it, and all you need is this little arrow here, it's going to ask me first what kind of file type I want. For social media and websites, usually the JPEGs are fine. So I'm going to select a JPEG. I'm going to leave the size as it is, but I am going to increase the quality, and I'm going to download both of those images. So just click on download. And basically that is it. It's going to download, because I have more than one image, it's going to download them in a zipped folder or file. And so all you have to do is double click that file wherever your downloads go. And you'll see you'll have 2 JPEG images, perfectly sized for a Facebook post. So it's that easy. So if you haven't used Canva, give it a try, and let me know how you like it. I hope you found this video helpful.